Imagine waking up every day feeling unstoppable, knowing that your mind is programmed for success. Sounds incredible, isn't it? Well, the harsh truth is many of us unknowingly sabotage our dreams because of the old belief systems in our subconscious mind. And it's not your fault. But what if I could rewrite those, reframe those beliefs, and unlock a life full of abundance and achievements? Sounds exciting, isn't it? So, in this video, I am going to share the exact steps which helped me reprogram my own subconscious mind and thousands of people that I have worked across the globe, and they've got amazing results. So stick around because this could be your breakthrough moment. So let's get started. I am Gagan, your life and law of attraction master coach, and I welcome back you to this transformative series on the law of attraction and the subconscious mind. If you watched the previous video, you would have got the little flavor of how powerful your subconscious mind is. And in continuation of the same, we want to deep dive into how you can reprogram it. We spoke about affirmations, visualization, that how they can shape up reality. And if you haven't watched that video, don't worry. I'll sprinkle some fun reminders today, but with a twist. This time, we will deep dive into how I personalize these techniques and combine them with other tools to reprogram my mind and transform my life. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any notifications and any single part of this transformative journey. So let's get started. Reprogramming your subconscious mind is very, very easy, but it is also about creating a new mental blueprint. Think of it as designing the foundation of your dream life. It might take some time, but it's a very, very easy and doable activity. So here's how it works. Your subconscious mind doesn't know the difference between true and false. What is reality and what is imagination? So let's leverage that power. It believes whatever you repeatedly feel about it, what you tell it, that's what your subconscious mind is going to believe. That's why the affirmations and visualization techniques we discussed earlier are so powerful. They are like planting seeds in a garden. You need to nurture them, but they will grow over a period of time. Depends how you nurture them. So today, I'll show you how I use these methods in real life and added a few more techniques to supercharge my transformation. Let me share a bit about my own journey. When I started coaching, I had faced self-doubt and a fear of failure, 6 years back. My subconscious mind was stuck on thoughts like, what if I'm not good enough? What if people don't trust my expertise? But I'll tell you in 3 simple steps, this is what I did. Number 1, journaling to reframe my beliefs. Every night I would write down one limiting belief that I have. I caught myself thinking that what am I doing wrong, and I started to replace it with something empowering. Journaling, right? So for example, if I'm not ready for this, is my mental thought became I'm constantly learning and growing. It gave me some boost, right? To be easy on myself. Number 2, creating a vision board, but with a twist, as I said. Sure, I visualized my goals, but I also created a physical vision board filled with images, successful coaching sessions, speaking events, and client breakthroughs and client feedback. It sat on my desk as a daily reminder that dreams are within my reach. And since we are stepping into a new year, I recommend you all to make a vision board for yourself. And number 3 is affirmation in motion. Instead of just saying affirmations, I paired them with the action. For instance, as I wrote content and prepared for the session, I would remind myself, I am bringing value and clarity to people's life. It's a very small affirmation, but doing this while taking action made the affirmations feel more real and impactful. And yes, sometimes I felt a bit silly talking about myself or visualizing my dream life to begin with, but here's the thing, it is always working. It works. It has worked for millions of people across the world. And guess what? Within months, my entire life, my entire outlook and reality began to shift. I booked my first, speaking engagement, connected with multiple clients across the globe, and started seeing the results that once I thought were impossible. So the seeds that I gave my mind had started to give me benefits. But the key is persistence. It's not about doing everything perfectly. It's about showing up for yourself every day. So don't get stuck in the trap of perfectionism, right? Just show up for yourself every day. My subconscious mind started to believe in me because I believed in myself first. Now let me ask you, have you tried affirmations, visualization, or journaling before? And what's one belief you're ready to retry today? Share it in the comment section. I would love to hear your story and cheer you on, and maybe give you some inputs at how you can start doing it better. If you're ready to reprogram your mind and align your thoughts with the frequency of abundance and step into your dream life, stay tuned for the next video in this series. We'll explore advanced techniques that take these practices to a new level. So subscribe and share this video with somebody someone who needs to hear this message today. Your transformation begins now, today, and I'm here to guide you on every step and any help that you need. Remember, your subconscious mind is your greatest ally. Reprogram it wisely and the possibilities are endless. You will see amazing results coming in. You will see how this can change your entire life. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video, and I'll tell you that, believe in the power of your dreams and start shaping up your subconscious mind to create your new reality. Okay, so stay connected for a daily dose of positivity.